What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to show you a strategy that I use to get traffic, free daily traffic, using this program, and it's called Easyhits4u. This is a traffic exchange that you can use to look at other people's opportunity and get credited for, participating and viewing other people's business opportunity. And this can very much help you if you would like to get free traffic. If you don't have any type of money for paid advertisements such as Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram, cost per click, this is very much for you if you very newly to the internet marketing business. And I usually use this traffic exchange to get traffic because one thing I do like about this platform, it can be, I could set and forget. I could put it on autopilot and get traffic continuously depending on how many credits that I have. You can also get impressions as well. And I'm going to show you here in the back office what different types of things you can do to get free traffic daily to your sites. And that's what you very much need in order to be able to get exposure to your sites, is to get more and more traffic. And by driving traffic on a daily basis, using it at least every day if you can, you will see more and more results. So you can be able to get signups, and you can also be able to get sales within your business. So as you can see, this is what I'm working with here in the back office. You can see the stats. You can see how many text ad banners that I generated. And I haven't even really been pushing this heavy, but I'm gonna start doing that more because I see a difference. I did see how much people being drive to my sites, and that's what really helps me out. So I'm gonna go over here. So it's so many ways that you can use to generate traffic. The first thing is surfing. Now you have two settings right here with surfing. This is the 2-for-1, meaning that every 2 sites you view, you get 1 whole credit. And this is the 1-for-1. Every 1 site you get like 0.5 credits usually. So if you get the 2-for-1, which is a little longer, you'll get more credits per surf. So that's something that's very helpful if you take in consideration if you just want to go and click on ads and see other people's sites. That way you can be able to get more and more credits, and you'll have credits added to your daily achievements. And you also can win not banners, but you can win badges as well. You can collect them, through various objectives completed. You can also take credits and you get to transfer them, and you convert them into impressions. So I believe impressions is more. It's like more than the credits. If you get you will be able to see it once you start tugging through all the features of the site. So right over here is the websites, and this is where you're going to implant all of your websites that you're promoting. These are all the websites that I'm promoting, and you get to set depending on how many credits you have, you can set those and assign those to each of your opportunities. And you're going to hit assign, and then as time go by, people gonna be clicking and they gonna be viewing your site. So this is a way how you can get free traffic as well. If you would like to buy credits, you're gonna hit and hover over buy credits, and you can see the product packages for each credit. Now they do have a monthly membership. You can check out the monthly memberships where you get a certain amount of impressions, credits per month. And you get to save up on them. These are, I believe, the starter packages right here, and they auto renew. You can do it for every 30 days, every 3 days. You can see how all of these credits work. So you can use this for your benefit. All right. So if you hover over the start pages, since when you purchase start pages, your link will be shown first, second, or third. Any Easy Hit member starts surfing through a period of your choice. Your site will be shown as much as possible without any of your credits. So this is a specific way you can get credits for free. And you can start your page, and I believe they show your page in the front page when people log in. I believe that's how it go. Okay. Then you have where you can convert, as I said before. You can take amount of credits, you can convert them into banner impressions, and you also convert them into text ad impressions. So you can see how much you get. They'll show you for each one how much you get if you want to, get credited. They also show you how much you'll get for banner ad and convert. And it renew. You can also renew like every so many days if you choose to. That's by choice. It's not mandatory, but you can check that out. This is your favorites. If you got any sites, I believe, you click or go through, you can save a certain site that other people post, and you can always go back to them. Alright, these are your banner ads. Now you can set your banner ads for whatever referrals, for whatever program you have. You can set these in the back. I do prefer using banner ad credits because usually the regular credits with like just going through your site, people, they'll use those up real quick. So use the banner ads. I highly recommend use the banner ads because you'll get more for your buck. All right, and you can set those. You can set the amount of credits that you would like to assign for each one. You also can check the statistics on how many impressions that you get per day, and you can see that right here in the back office when you hover over banners. You can also buy impressions. They have product packages for impressions just as well as the credits as well. If you head over here to tools, actually text ads, you'll see the text ads. These are text ads, like I said before. You can buy impressions for those too. Now the tools, this is where you could promote Easyhits4u. So they'll show you a splash page builder. You get to build an easy rotator, so you can rotate unlimited sites that you want to promote within one link. You can use that within the tools. Okay. Also, if you head over to referral, now this is where you can get your promotional tools. They show you, how much you can make, per referral. If your referrals upgrade, they get 15%. If anybody refers to the ultimate membership that's under you, you get 20% commissions. This is where your Easyhits4u affiliate links, so you can promote these in other traffic exchanges. And this is showing you how to invite your contacts, telling you how much you can earn per credit. And this is your promo tool. This is where you can be able to get email swipes. You can also get banners that you use for Easyhits4u, and you get to promote these on your websites. And they show you different types of web pages, splash pages that you can use to promote. And this is very, very well good. I like the way the system is put together. This has been around since 2003, so you know that this system has longevity and is still working for marketers today. So I highly suggest, if you would like to get started with me in Easyhits4u, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you check that out. If you got any questions, you leave your comments below, and I'll definitely get back in contact with you. And if you would like to hit me up on social media, such as Facebook, if you would like to connect with me on there, I can also add you, and we can conversate on that as well. So I just wanted to show you what Easyhits4u and show you how you can get daily free leads for free. And you don't have to worry. Now, if you want to, you can upgrade. It's by choice. If you would like to upgrade, if you feel like this service is much value to you, you can definitely upgrade. But if you do not, you can just go for the free membership and just start getting easy free lead traffic to your business. All right. So that's all I wanted to show for you today. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel and leave your comments in the comment section. All right. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.